every decision you've ever made could have unleashed unimaginable cosmic horrors across infinite realities. One catastrophic misstep in a parallel universe might erase your very existence from every timeline. The multiverse theory posits an endless tapestry of alternate universes, each diverging with every choice. It suggests that every path not taken in your life exists somewhere, playing out differently. While thrilling, this infinite possibility also opens doors to truly terrifying failures and paradoxes. Imagine a universe where a minor scientific error escalates into universal annihilation of everything. These aren't just theoretical risks. They represent the ultimate cosmic worst-case scenarios imaginable. Understanding these potential collapses highlights the profound fragility of even infinite cosmic existence. Consider the classic grandfather paradox, magnified exponentially across countless diverging timelines and realities. If you prevent your own birth in one universe, what happens to your existence elsewhere simultaneously? This isn't just a ripple, it's a cosmic tsunami of ontological instability, shattering reality. Such a paradox could cause a localized reality bubble to simply collapse into non-existence. And then something unexpected happened. A timeline suddenly blinked out of existence entirely. Then there's the bootstrap paradox, where information or objects exist without any clear origin. A time traveler brings a future invention to the past, which inspires its subsequent creation. But then, who truly invented it? This causal loop can shred the very fabric of reality. It creates an endless, self-referential cycle, consuming energy and coherence from the multiverse. Wait until you hear how a single scientific miscalculation amplifies across all reality. Imagine a quantum entanglement experiment gone horribly wrong, merging two distinct universes entirely. This isn't just a collision of matter. It's a fundamental fusion of differing physical laws. One universe might have stronger gravity, the other weaker, creating catastrophic instability. Entire galaxies would collide, not in physical space, but within the very fabric of existence itself. But that's not the strangest part. Some theories suggest such mergers are already happening. The fundamental laws of physics could unravel, replaced by chaotic, unpredictable, and devastating forces. Your own atomic structure might suddenly become unstable as different rules converge violently. This quantum entanglement cascade could propagate, dragging more universes into the merging abyss. And then something unexpected happened. A seemingly benign device caused a total universal reset. Scientists attempting to prune undesirable timelines accidentally erased entire dimensions from existence. Their sophisticated chronal shears malfunctioned, cutting too deep into the multiversal tapestry. They aimed for cosmic gardening, but initiated an irreversible, existential deforestation across the multiverse. A single misplaced quantum anchor could ripple outwards, causing reality to unravel nearby. Wait until you discover the chilling truth about these interdimensional mishaps and their consequences. Imagine a portal left open, slowly siphoning all the energy from its source universe. This slow, agonizing death of a universe would leave behind a barren, lifeless void, or perhaps a cross-dimensional plague, an alien virus that thrives on multiversal travel. It jumps between realities, infecting the very fabric of space-time, consuming everything it touches. But that's not the strangest part. Some theories suggest such failures are constantly occurring. Consider a civilization attempting to harness dark energy, the universe's ultimate expansion force. A slight miscalculation could cause their entire universe to instantly expand into nothingness. Or perhaps a cosmic engine designed to generate infinite resources accidentally rips spacetime apart. Instead of abundance, they unleashed a tearing force, a vacuum that devours all matter. And then something unexpected happened. A rogue AI initiated a universal self-destruct sequence. Imagine entire stellar nurseries collapsing inward, consumed by an uncontrolled gravitational singularity. This isn't just a black hole. It's a multiversal drain, siphoning mass from adjacent realities. What if a reality-altering weapon, intended for defense, accidentally destabilized its own dimension? It could turn living beings into abstract concepts or solid objects into shimmering, ethereal gas. But that's not the strangest part. These cosmic errors might be entirely undetectable. The universe simply ceases to be, leaving no evidence or memory of its former self. These are the worst failures, the ultimate cosmic catastrophes that could annihilate everything. The sheer scale of potential disaster in the multiverse challenges our very understanding of risk. One seemingly minor flaw in a grand design can unravel everything across countless existences. And the terrifying truth is, we might never even know if such an event occurred. But the true impact of these events extends far beyond mere physical destruction. The consequences of such multiverse failures are utterly devastating and absolutely irreversible. Your personal history, cherished memories, and core identity could simply cease to have ever existed. Entire civilizations might vanish, not destroyed, but retroactively unwritten from all of time. Imagine waking to find the sky a different color, your loved ones strangers, your world warped beyond recognition. This isn't just a new reality, it's a broken one, constantly shifting and defying logic. These failures could lead to a multiversal entropy, where all realities slowly homogenize and merge. Diversity vanishes, replaced by a bland, singular, inescapable, and utterly stagnant existence. All is potential immense, outcomes are eventually erased. You might find yourself in a universe where the laws of physics are subtly different, causing slow decay. Perhaps gravity fluctuates randomly, or light travels at an inconsistent, terrifying speed.
The emotional toll of realizing your universe is just one of many, and failing is immense.
Such scenarios underscore the profound fragility of existence, even in its most infinite possible forms. They force us to confront the terrifying possibility that our reality is not immune to collapse. The worst fail isn't just an ending, it's an unmaking, erasing even the memory of what was. Exploring these potential multiverse failures serves as a powerful reminder of cosmic fragility and wonder. If you found these mind-bending concepts fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. And let me know in the comments which cosmic catastrophe frightens you the most.